Why do 70% of crypto investors choose centralized exchanges for their trades? Let's dive in. Step 1. Choose a crypto exchange. You've got two main types: centralized exchanges like Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase, which are user-friendly and secure, or decentralized exchanges like Uniswap and Curve, which give you more control but can be a bit tricky. Step 2. Create an account and verify your identity. Most exchanges require you to do this. It's simple but crucial. Step 3. Deposit your Bitcoin. Transfer your Bitcoin to your chosen exchange account. Step 4. Trade Bitcoin for Cardano. On a CEX, look for the BTC-ADA trading pair. For a DEX, connect your wallet, swap Bitcoin for Cardano, and confirm. Step 5. Transfer Cardano to your personal wallet if you prefer. A few tips: watch out for fees, always prioritize security, and remember, crypto markets are volatile.